To create departments in StaffCast, all we need to do is get to the add/edit departments page. So that's held within modules under add or edit departments. If you give that a click, you end up on this page here. You can see on the left hand side we've got two options. The first one is to add departments individually, and the second one is to upload departments from a file. We'll do one individually first, just to show you how it's done. We select the department name and then type a name for that department and click on add. That then creates that department. We can see there are no resources allocated to it and no unfilled roles. If we wanted to rename that department, we'll simply click on rename, change that to, for example, exec, click on save, and then that will change the name of the department. We can also delete departments from here, so by clicking on delete, that will remove that department. It will come up with a confirmation. If we click on OK, then that department's now been completed. And you could do that over and over again for each department in your organisation. However, if you've already got a list of departments in Excel, then you can upload your file and it will bring each of those departments in. We do that by clicking on choose file and then selecting the file that we want to bring in, and you can see there a little image of what we've got, a header with departments at the top and then each of the different departments underneath it. If we now click open, you can see that it's ingested that, and then if we click on upload, we'll see all of the different departments being created.